circle. Hold on, guys. Let's hold on, guys. Sorry. Okay, here you go. Here, guys.
Hey guys, today we're doing slime and
But
leaves.
this is part 3.
And also about the merch. We don't know when that's supposed to come in, but
come
he
in
already
yet.
has one.
I only have one that is already made.
You guys,
You can probably.
can-
I think you guys can get it from stores. I can't remember which ones. And remember, it's the Rockstone one that has the has that or this. I can't remember. I can't remember, guys. So yeah.
It's the Rockstar one.
Yeah,
It's that one.
yeah. Okay. Thank you. I can't remember. He's basically a big fan of mine. Right, Matt?
No, no.
He used to, I think. I basically don't have any fans yet. I just like am a beginner of
Guys, please subscribe a lot. We only got 6 subscribers.
No, I have a new channel right now. This is the new channel.
Oh, what's this? Well, his other channel. Guys, subscribe to that.
It's Billy Sorrell. I have some cool stuff. People say it's not cool, but it is.
It only has 6 subscribers.
Shane! How long have you been there? Hop on in.
Oh, what do you mean merch?
What the?
You guys just said, oh, we'll have merch soon.
I might be getting merch. I only have one shirt. That's only for me.
What does it say on it?
Nothing. This only has a rock. It only has the